Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wondered how hackers gather information online, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm diving into the absolute top free tools that hackers are using in 2026 to collect data from all over the internet. These tools aren't just cool, they're powerful, and you'll be amazed at what's possible if you know where to look. But before we jump in, I want to make it crystal clear. This video is strictly for educational and awareness purposes. My goal is to help you understand what's out there so you can protect yourself and your digital life. So, if you're ready to learn, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get started on this journey into the mind of a hacker. The first tool on our list is Maltego. Maltego lets you visualize how people, companies, domains, and social media accounts connect. Think of it as a giant spider web. Every strand is a real-world relationship, made visible and interactive. Enter a name, email, or domain, and Maltego maps out all the links it can find. There's even a free community edition that's surprisingly powerful. The intuitive visualization makes uncovering hidden connections feel like discovering a secret world. Next up, we have SpiderFoot. If Maltego is a detective with a corkboard, SpiderFoot is a robot detective on steroids. It automates gathering open-source intelligence, OSINT, from hundreds of sources across the web. Just enter your target, hit scan, and SpiderFoot collects data on emails, IPs, phone numbers, and more. The dashboard is user-friendly, showing where the data comes from and how it connects. The free version is great for personal use and gets frequent updates. If you want to see the internet's secrets, SpiderFoot is your ticket in. Our third tool is theHarvester, and it's a classic in the world of information gathering. TheHarvester is all about scraping public sources for emails, subdomains, and host names. Think of it as a high-speed trawler, scooping up all the little bits of public info floating around the internet. All you need to do is enter a domain, and TheHarvester will dig through search engines, social networks, and more, pulling up anything it can find. You'd be shocked at how much is out there just waiting to be discovered. This tool is perfect for penetration testers and anyone who wants to know what information is visible about their organization. It's fast, lightweight, and effective. Plus, it's open source and totally free. If you're curious about what a simple search can reveal, theHarvester is your best friend. Number 4 on our list is Shodan, sometimes called the search engine for hackers. While Google finds websites, Shodan finds devices, everything from webcams to smart fridges to power plants. Seriously, if it's online, Shodan can probably find it. Just type in a keyword, and you can see devices all over the world, their open ports, and sometimes even their vulnerabilities. This is both awesome and, honestly, a little scary. Ethical hackers use Shodan to check if their devices are exposed, but it can also reveal just how many things are connected and unprotected on the internet. The free version gives you plenty of searches, and the premium isn't expensive if you want to go deeper. Shodan is a real eye-opener about the state of internet security in 2026. Now, let's talk about Google Dorks. You might think Google is just for finding cat videos, but with the right search queries, called Dorks, you can uncover a ton of hidden information. These advanced searches let you find exposed documents, login pages, and other sensitive data that shouldn't be public. For example, using file type XLS inurl admin can reveal spreadsheet files on admin pages. Google Dorks are incredibly powerful and entirely free. Hackers use them to map out a target's digital footprint, while security pros use Dorks to find and fix leaks before anyone else does. There are whole databases of Dorks you can try, and new ones are being invented all the time. This isn't magic, it's just knowing how to speak Google's language. The sixth tool is Recon-ng, and it's like a hacker's Swiss Army knife for web reconnaissance. Recon-ng is a full-featured framework that lets you gather information from a ton of sources, all from one command line interface. It's modular, so you can add new capabilities as you need them. Think of it as building your own custom toolkit. Recon-ng can pull data from APIs, scrape websites, and even map out entire networks. The interface is designed for efficiency. You enter a target, load up the modules you want, and watch as Recon-ng does its magic. It's perfect for anyone who wants to go deep into reconnaissance without switching between a dozen tools. If you're comfortable with command lines, Recon-ng is a must-have in your arsenal. Moving on, let's check out Social Searcher. In 2026, so much of our lives is public on social media, and Social Searcher is designed to find it all. This tool scans public social networks for mentions, posts, and profiles related to your target. Want to see what someone's been posting about your company? Or maybe you want to track down every public profile linked to an email address. Social Searcher can do that in seconds. The interface is simple, just type in a keyword, and you get a real-time feed of results from Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and even smaller platforms. It's not just useful for hackers. Marketers, journalists, and even HR teams use Social Searcher to monitor online presence. The free version gives you loads of searches, and it's all totally legal and above board, as long as you stick to public info. Number 8 is a tool everyone should be using. Have I been pwned? It's simple but powerful. Just enter your email or phone number, and the site tells you if your data has been leaked in any major data breaches. With cyber attacks happening all the time, it's crucial to know if your info is out there. If you've been pwned, you'll get a list of breaches, what data was exposed, and advice on what to do next. Have I been pwned is a favorite for security pros, but it's also a wake-up call for regular users. The best part? It's totally free, and you don't even need an account. If you care about your digital safety in 2026, this tool should be bookmarked in your browser. The 9th tool is called Creepy, and the name says it all. Creepy is designed to gather geolocation information from social networking platforms. If someone's posting photos with location data, Creepy can map out where they've been and when. This is incredibly useful for law enforcement and journalists, but it's also a huge privacy risk if you don't know what you're sharing. You just enter a username or email, and Creepy pulls in location-tagged posts, showing them on a map. It's a powerful reminder that even innocent posts can reveal more than you think. The tool is open source and free, and it works with all the big social platforms. If you want to see what your social media trail looks like, give Creepy a try and maybe turn off your location tags. Last but not least, we have the OSINT framework. This isn't a single tool. It's a massive directory of hundreds of open-source intelligence tools and resources, all organized in one place. Think of it as the ultimate hacker's toolkit. The website is set up like a mind map. Click a category, and you'll see dozens of links to tools for gathering data on people, companies, emails, networks, and more. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the OSINT framework makes it easy to find the right tool for any job. It's always up to date, and everything listed is free or has a free tier. If you want to explore the world of OSINT, this should be your first stop. Bookmark it, share it, and dive in. You never know what you'll discover. And there you have it, the top 10 free tools hackers are using in 2026 to gather information online. Remember, these tools are meant for ethical and educational purposes only. Knowing how they work can help you protect yourself, your business, and your loved ones from cyber threats. The best defense is always awareness, so take what you've learned today and use it to stay one step ahead. Don't forget to secure your own information, check your privacy settings, use strong passwords, and monitor your data regularly. If you know of any awesome tools I missed, drop them in the comments below. I love learning from this community. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to see it. CyberConnect out!